What I have for my brothers and sisters here today is not something that I can say I won't be able to deal with under 2 minutes. In fact, a minute would be okay. Our problem is that what we claim to be doing, what we claim to be our main focus in Tijaniyyah as Sufi, we are not really doing it. That is the problem. We claim to be Sufi, and the work of Sufi has to do with nafsi, but we are not doing it. We claim we are once alone. Atidele. That is the problem we have. Metana ni problem wa. Obu siyada, oezio, sin. Obu siyada. Obu riyaza. Ale ati asobiya. Obu kadimo kadale. All these things are the bane of our development in Sufi. That is the major problem you're having. We claim that we are Sufi. As Sufi, there is no difference between our Sheikh, Tijaniyyah, radiallahu ta'ala, Abu Abbas. He is the supreme one. He is the one sitting at the top. Sheikh Ibrahim Yans, radiallahu anhu, is the connection to Sheikh Tijaniyyah. As Sheikh Tijaniyyah is the connection to Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. All our shuyukh, our connections to Sheikh Ibrahim Yans, radiallahu anhu. There's nothing we can do, absolutely nothing we can do without Sheikh Ibrahim Yans, radiallahu anhu. Now, if we remove Obu Siyada, I want to be a leader. Everybody wants to be a leader. That is the problem. And Riyasa, there is a lot of politicking going on among us. It's a problem. We don't. And Al-Asabiyyah, your Sheikh is different from my Sheikh. My Sheikh is greater than your Sheikh. Your Sheikh is smaller. All these things are the problem we are having. In as much as we are saying that there will never be unity amongst us. We are looking for unity. All Sheikh, according to Sheikh Ibrahim Yans, rule Adam, all Sheikh are one. So by the time we are able to deal with that all Sheikh are one. Sheikh Mukhtar Dende, there is this a regular thing I normally say to him. I'll say, he's spending everything he has to make sure we have unity. He's bringing everybody on board. But we are there fighting. This is our problem. Please, but please, what we are saying is that let us come together. If it is the unity of Tijaniyyah we are looking for, then we are one. Remove the whole Abu Siyada, Abu Riyasa, and Al-Asabiyyah, and everything will be okay. Wassalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Thank you so much, Khalifa Sheikh Ibrahim Al-Miskin Billah.
Baba Nkuka.
Baba Nkuka, Eshon Baba. Ọlọ́run ṣe bá dúpẹ́ fún yín. A tuntun yín pé pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run. We are trying to be managing our time. Sayyida is going to talk now. Sayyida Grillo. Then I've also been told that the recorded message from Sheikh Inisa has been sent to us. So we're going to do that after Sayyida Grillo's speech in just 5 minutes. Then gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí ó kù tí a fẹ́ ju kí àwọn ṣe dédé sọ fún mi torí pé àsìkò tá a ti fẹ́ parí àwọn àgbààgbà àwọn ṣé wa àwọn màmá ṣé wa tó wà nílẹ̀ wọ́n ó ṣàdúrà fún wa Sayyida wa Anita náà máa ṣàdúrà gbogbo wọn náà máa ṣàdúrà fún wa